negative with the 47 or just out in front. And then 4 divided by 5 does not reduce either, so that's minus 4/5 x. So there's our second equation. So now we are ready to put these in the calculator. All right? So put your pen or pencil down and do this with me, and then you'll be so good at all this. The next two problems, you don't have to do any solving or writing. We're just using the calculator for the last two after this. So thank you. So go back to y equals, hit clear. All right, and you're going to put these equations in. 5x plus 37. All right, and the other one, negative, let's do alpha y equals. All right, and put that a fraction in, and negative, I'm going to do negative 47 over 5. It's hard to believe that this will actually intersect in an actual point. It does. Minus 4/5, so I'm going to do alpha y equals again, and get that fraction up there, 4 over 5. And I need to remember that I need an x there, because that's the slope. So I have x's in both my equations, and I'm ready to now zoom 0. Please let them, oh, they are intersecting right on the screen. I don't have to do anything else. I see the intersection, and now I can make the calculator go get it for me. Second trace for the calculate menu, 5, and enter, enter, enter. And our answer is, oh, where is it on the screen here? It is -8, -3. It's the last one, all right? And so I would mark that, I would check that off with some sort of pen, okay? Now the last two, turn to the last page. We're not going to do anything on paper because these are beautifully ready to go in the calculator, all right? You don't have to draw those lines. Put them in the calculator, put in calc and intersect. That's the only information you need to write down there. So let's do this together, the last two. All right, we'll do these pretty quickly. Go to y equals, and we're clear and clear. And we're going to put in 5x plus 51. And we're going to hit the down arrow, and we're going to put in 3x plus 31. So I'm just double checking that I typed them in correctly. They're ready to go. We're going to be so happy when we get equations that are ready like this. And I'm going to hit second. Nope, I'm not going to hit second. Sorry. I'm going to hit, I'm going to hit zoom, and I'm going to hit 0. And there it is. I don't have to zoom anywhere else. It's fit those on there for me. And I'm now going to, now that I see the intersection, I'm going to go get it. Second, calculate mender under trace, 5, enter, 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 and it's -10, 1. -10, 1, which happens to be the first one. All right, and one more. Thank you so much. This won't take long. Go to y equals and hit clear again, and we're typing in -3x plus 11. And we're typing in -4x plus 16. And we're going to zoom 0. And they're right there on the screen. And we're going to hit second, calc, 5, enter, enter, enter. And our answer is 5, -4. So I'm writing that down for myself. The answer is 5, -4. But notice it's not looking for the point. Be careful, be careful. It's looking for the y value to be at, what's the y value at -4? And so my answer is that one. All right, so sometimes it's looking for the whole point, and sometimes it's looking for part of the point. That's how we use the graphing calculator to find our intersections. Sometimes we see that they're parallel when we graph them, and if we graph them and they're parallel and it says no sign change, that means they're parallel. So use this page to find your system's solutions, and thank you so much.